Hi and welcome back, you guys. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm super excited. I'm gonna actually put on press-on nails on my left hand, and then on my right hand, I'm gonna recreate the look just doing it on a natural manicure. I'm gonna let you guys decide which one looks better, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you which one you'll actually save a lot more money. So I apply one of the press-on nails on my thumb just to show you what you look like. Now I'm gonna go step by step on how to apply the press-on nails. Then we'll move on over here to my right hand and we're gonna do the natural manicure. So the first thing you're gonna do is push your cuticle back. If you don't have a cuticle pusher, I actually just use the press-on nails itself. What I've already done is size it to my finger, and then I'm gonna take the nail and lightly push it. I'm then gonna go to the next one and kind of place it. It also helps me have an idea how I need to lay it when I put the glue on to make sure that it's straight. Once I have that all pushed back, I'm just gonna get a nail file. If you don't have one, they do offer it in your kit. I just don't care for this because it's too small. The first thing I'm gonna do is shape my nails. Because the press-on nails is a little bit long, I don't really need to focus on the front of my nails because the press-on will cover it. What I don't want is my natural nail showing at the edge of the press-on nail. And then now the most important part is you really do need to clean the top of your nail bed. Give it a little rough file to it. Not too rough, but just a little grit so that it can bond onto your nails. Once you have this done, we're just gonna wipe off, or you could just go and wash your hand. And then the most important part, anytime you're applying press-on nail, is you have to dehydrate the nails. Even though you wash your hand, you think it's clean, you want to make sure the nail bed is completely dehydrated before you put the glue on. Otherwise, your nail will lift. And all you're gonna need is a little bit of alcohol. You'll know because your nails will look almost like it's pale. Once it's dry, then we could apply the glue. So I'm just gonna apply the glue on the nail. You wanna give it a nice coat. Try not to get on top of your cuticle because it will get really sticky. I then gonna grab the press-on and we're just gonna push the cuticle back. You want the press-on to sit right underneath your cuticle. And it's important to always look before you press on it hard because once it stays, it's gonna be harder to lift. Now that I know that it's straight, we're just gonna hold for a couple seconds. Just like that, it looks perfect. Now I'm just gonna repeat it to all the rest of my finger and we'll get started on my left hand. Okay guys, so here is when it's fully on. It actually looks really, really good and really easy to apply on. I'm actually super nervous to do this on my left hand because I have no idea how I'm gonna recreate this artwork. Okay guys, so it's time to start my right hand. I am actually really nervous. I haven't painted my nails in years because I've always wear press-on. So let's start first by shaping the nail. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on my edge. I think I'm gonna go for more of a square look because my nail is a lot shorter. My nail bed is so small. That's part of the reason why I start wearing press-on. And because I don't need to apply any press-on top, I'm gonna actually just do the opposite instead. On my nail bed, I'm gonna really smooth it out so that the nail polish will absorb on and look smooth. So we're gonna use the softest part of the buffer. Actually, let me turn on my fan. This will actually help pull all the dust. Okay, so the nails look pretty smooth. I'm gonna go wash my hand and get this clean out, and we'll do the second step by applying the polish on. Okay, now that the nails look nice and clean, I'm gonna do the same thing, dehydrate my nail bed so that my polish is really gonna bond onto my nails. Okay, so I'm ready to paint. The color that I got is pretty close, as you can see. We'll try it. Ooh, it's watery. I don't like this polish at all. It looks too chalky. Okay guys, the smell is strong. I think 2 coat is okay. I'm gonna turn on the fan and let it completely dry. Then we're gonna go to the next step and put some glitter right at the top, just like here, and we'll finish it off with some top coat. It's taking forever to dry, you guys. I really hate the smell. Okay guys, so now it's time to do the glitter. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna recreate this. It just looks like you could place them anywhere. It doesn't look like it needs to be perfect, so. Oh my gosh, I'm a wimp. Okay, let's do this. I think you just do it at the top. Hey, not bad, look at that. Not bad so far. Okay, here we go. It smells horrible. I need to grab a little bit more glitter. You guys think I need to do one more coat? And I just realized that this pinky should actually be all silver. Completely silver. So, I'm gonna remove it and we're gonna create the look and make sure it looks exactly the same. Here we go, let's fix this issue. We're gonna recreate and make it all silver. So now I grabbed this one too just in case, and I remember why, because I needed it for the ring finger. Okay guys, so I just finished applying the press-on my left hand, and I tried to recreate the look on my right hand. What do you guys think? I literally was gonna throw the polish away after 2 seconds of applying it on my nails. One, the nail polish sucked. It was not even, I had to put 2 coat on, then it still kind of was sheer, but I was too scared to put another one on because it might get too blotchy. But what do you think? Press on or manicure? So the breakdown, this cost me about $6.99. This set, by the time I got all the polish, the top coat, everything else, it cost me about $20. Yet those polish I could probably reuse on my toes, paint it a couple hundred more times. So in reality, this is probably really cheap, but it was actually harder to recreate the look than I thought. But what do you guys think? Would you guys do press on, or would you guys just do a manicure at home? It was a fun video to do. I hope you guys really enjoy it. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.